So today I'm reviewing this chocolate tree, and basically on the box, there's the crown chakra, third eye chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, saori chakra, and root chakra. And this is a nice gift for like people who are into things like this, or it's also just pretty overall. Even if they're not into stuff like this is like really pretty, and it's just so pretty. Though be aware it does hurt here. Like it's a little rough around here. So be aware of that. And it comes with like this little thing. You can put it on your keychain or anything like of that sort. But yeah, it's not that big. It's pretty lightweight. This is like all the close details of it all. You can, you know, like how a Christmas tree, you unwrap it, like you have to put it up. So basically, let me show y'all. It goes like this. So if you're gonna take it to travel, you want to wrap it up, anything like that, it's like really easy. And then you just push it back down and spread it out. It's like a Christmas tree, really. And yeah, so it's really nice, lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It's really sturdy. It's not like this can break as easily. Like if this fell, it'll be pretty good. And like I said, it's not that big, and so you can put it on your nightstand. You can put it like in the living room, anywhere that you want to give off nice energy.